Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video guys for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the instrument cluster, guys, also known as gauges, or guys, also known as instrument panel. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools and diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be, guys, quite simple fix, and after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Instrument cluster, gauges, fuses, relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee right here, guys. Now there will be two different types of fuse boxes depending on the year model. We'll explain about both. First, we need to open the hood facing the engine on the left side here. You see that's the main engine fuse box. Open that cover. Underneath you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one for year model 2014 to 2022. This is 2011 to year 2013. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Let's zoom in here, and what we guys need to check. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number M13. You see this fuse right here, okay? That 20 amp fuse is the one that you need to check. Then we need to locate fuse number M15, this one here. And you have another one which is known as M20, right there. Now, if you guys have 2014 to 2022 model, okay, things will differ a little bit. We're going to check now fuse number 84, and 84 will be that fuse right here. 84, and then we need to locate fuse number 88, which is this fuse right here. 84 and 88, guys. Now, you don't have any relays. The relay function practically is controlled most likely by the body control module. If you still have problems with the instrument cluster, guys, you may want to check the fuse for the OBD port and the body control module. Sometimes burnt OBD port fuse will cause the instrument cluster not to work as well. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.